Alright, so I'm about to have breakfast today. It's a late breakfast, but we don't have that much food. So I got some Cheerios. Lots of Cheerios today. And no milk. We're out of milk. Why is the cereal burnt up? I don't want it anymore. Okay, this looks like better cereal. It's not as burnt up. Hey, one word. What happened to the other one?
I don't know, the thing came off of it.
Whoa, Lizzie! That was really fun. Alright, this time I'm putting Cheerios inside to see what will happen. Not yet, Dad. Not quite yet. Okay, good. Let's go.
Oh,
Whoops.
here it goes.
It's going! Hey, where'd the Cheerios go? Oh, they just fell. This time we're putting it in the bowl where the cereal was. The ground bloom flower thing.
Okay.
Let's see what it'll do. What did it do?
Kind of melted the bottom of the bowl a little bit. That's about all. Try it again.